Have you ever wondered if the secrets to nature's miracles lie hidden in plain sight? Young Lily stumbled upon a dusty, ancient gardening book in her grandmother's attic, only to discover it was no ordinary guide. This tome contained spells that could summon rain, banish droughts, and even conjure lightning with the flick of the wrist. As she tested a simple rain spell in her backyard, the sky darkened, and raindrops began to fall, turning the parched soil into a blooming paradise. But with every spell cast, the weather grew more unpredictable, and Lily soon learned that wielding such power came with a heavy price. As crops flourished and others withered, she realized that controlling nature was a delicate balance, one that could easily spiral out of control.